Each dawn brings a serene interlude, a moment of stillness as the world awakens and the initial rays illuminate your face. This is the pivotal instant where your physiology determines the trajectory of the hours ahead, whether to continue the process of decline or to initiate rejuvenation. For women past the age of, this particular moment carries more influence than is commonly understood. Most individuals plunge into their day, but those who maintain grace with age recognize that the morning hours are restorative. They are more than just a search for caffeine or a habitual schedule. They are a prompt to activate the body's internal mechanisms responsible for synthesizing collagen, stabilizing hormones, and internally repairing the skin. If you have ever felt your reflection looked fatigued, despite adequate rest, the issue isn't simply the passage of years. Instead, your body missed crucial cues upon waking. Your cells were anticipating exposure to light, gentle activity, and vital nutrients, the three inherent stimuli that signal the time to boost collagen creation. This quiet wisdom has been practiced by women in Japan for countless generations. Their starts to the day are not hurried. They are deliberate rituals. A brief period spent in natural light recalibrates the circadian rhythm. Soft stretches encourage blood circulation. A mindful breakfast, rich in amino acids and antioxidants, is consumed not for calorie counting, but for revitalization. Modern research now validates these long-held, discrete practices. The first couple of hours after you rise establish the foundational pacing for your metabolism, hormonal equilibrium, and the day's collagen output. Therefore, before applying any makeup or skincare product, take a moment to pause. The genuine key to maintaining youthful skin in your second half-century is not contained in a cosmetic bottle. It resides in how you commence each day. Join me, and I will share the 3 morning practices that can naturally encourage your body to restore collagen. No dependency on topical solutions or invasive procedures. Just the natural cycle of illumination, respiration, and sustenance. If you are prepared to adjust how you greet the morning starting tomorrow, please comment with A, and we can embark on this path together. Habit number 1, morning light activation. The natural collagen switch when the first light of morning reaches your skin. Something remarkable begins to happen long before you sip your tea or take your first step outside. Inside your body, a cascade of biological signals awakens. Your brain releases serotonin, your adrenal glands balance cortisol, and deep within your skin, fibroblast cells begin preparing to produce collagen. Japanese researchers call this the light activation response, a natural switch that tells your body it's time to repair, rebuild, and renew. And it begins not with food or supplements, but with light. For decades, scientists believed collagen loss after was inevitable. But newer studies show that our circadian rhythm, the internal clock that governs every system, directly influences how much collagen the body produces. When you wake in darkness, stay indoors, or avoid sunlight completely, that rhythm drifts out of sync. Your skin's repair cycle weakens. Your energy feels flat. Even your mood becomes fragile. But when light touches the retina within the first hour of waking, it resets everything. Melatonin fades naturally. Cortisol rises gently, not sharply, and your body gets a clear signal. It's morning, time to rebuild. That's why Japanese women often begin their day not in front of a mirror, but near a window. They stand silently for a few minutes, eyes open to the soft morning glow, breathing slowly. For them, this is not a ritual of beauty. It's a ritual of rhythm. Modern science now supports it. Research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that people who received natural, morning light within minutes of waking had higher collagen activity compared to those who stayed in artificial light. The reason is simple. Sunlight triggers vitamin D synthesis, which stimulates collagen gene expression and supports calcium balance, essential for skin structure. You don't need hours of exposure. 10 minutes of early sunlight, even through a window, can reset your body's internal clock and awaken the natural repair systems that decline with age. The key is consistency, not intensity. And here's something most people overlook. The light should come before caffeine. Coffee spikes cortisol prematurely, signaling stress instead of wakefulness. But if you expose yourself to light first, your body handles caffeine later with calm energy instead of tension. In Okinawa, Many older women still walk outside barefoot in the early morning, a practice they call a sasampo, morning stroll. The combination of sunlight, fresh air, and gentle movement improves circulation to the skin, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cells that make collagen. This habit costs nothing. It doesn't require a product or a plan. Yet, it may be one of the most powerful anti-aging tools nature ever designed. Because collagen doesn't begin with creams or powders. It begins with light. The same light that wakes the world, resets your rhythm, and reminds every cell in your body that renewal is still possible. Habit number 2, protein and antioxidant breakfast. Feeding the collagen factor ions your body has awakened with light. The next step is to give it the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Collagen cannot appear out of thin air. It's a protein, and like every protein, it depends on amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants to come alive. That's why in Japan, the morning meal is never skipped, rushed, or replaced with coffee alone. It's treated as the foundation of vitality. If you walk through a quiet neighborhood in Kyoto at sunrise, you'll notice a familiar rhythm, the smell of miso soup, the gentle crackle of fish on a pan, the sound of tea being poured. Each of these elements has a purpose. They don't just comfort the spirit. They feed the collagen factory inside the body. Here's what science tells us. Collagen synthesis requires 3 key amino acids, glycine, proline, and lysine. These come from proteins like eggs, tofu, fish, or legumes. But for your body to actually use those amino acids to build collagen, it also needs vitamin C to trigger the process, and antioxidants to protect new collagen fibers from damage. That's why a traditional Japanese breakfast often includes both a balance of protein and color. A small serving of grilled salmon provides glycine and omega fats that keep skin elastic. A bowl of miso soup made from fermented soy delivers proline and gut-friendly bacteria that help your body absorb nutrients. And on the side, a few slices of citrus fruit or kiwi, nature's richest source of vitamin C. Complete the cycle by activating collagen formation. Modern research confirms this combination works. A study from the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that adults who consumed a high-protein, antioxidant-rich breakfast showed an increase in collagen density and reduced wrinkle depth after weeks, compared to those who skipped breakfast or ate refined carbohydrates. This is the essence of Japanese nutrition: small portions, perfectly balanced. Every bite has purpose. Every flavor has a function. And because the meal is light yet complete, digestion remains smooth, blood sugar stays stable, and the body's energy is released slowly throughout the morning. There's another subtle reason breakfast matters for collagen. It helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone. When you delay eating, cortisol stays elevated, which breaks down collagen fibers and accelerates aging. Eating within an hour of waking signals your body that it's safe, that it can shift from survival mode to repair mode. If you prefer a Western-style breakfast, the same principles still apply. Try boiled eggs with avocado slices and a small serving of berries, or a bowl of plain yogurt topped with chia seeds and a drizzle of honey. The goal isn't perfection. It's to feed your body before the day feeds on you. And as you eat, take your time. Don't rush. In Japan, it's common to bow slightly before the first bite, a gesture of gratitude known as itadakimasu. That small pause calms the nervous system, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Even science agrees. Eating slowly can increase protein uptake by up to. When you start your day this way, nourished, grounded, calm, your body remembers how to rebuild. Because collagen, like beauty, isn't created by force. It's created by rhythm, consistency, and care. Habit number 3, morning movement, circulation, and oxygen for collagen renewal. If light awakens your rhythm and breakfast fuels your cells, then movement is what brings everything to life. Because collagen, like energy, thrives on flow. Without movement, even the best nutrients can't reach the places that need them most. Blood flow slows. Oxygen delivery weakens. The fibroblast cells, the ones responsible for making collagen, become sluggish, like a factory with no power supply. That's why the third morning habit of Japanese women is simple but transformative: gentle, intentional movement. In Japan, it's called asataiso, which means morning body awakening. You've probably seen it before. People in parks or open courtyards moving slowly in unison, arms stretching toward the sky, breathing deeply, bending at the waist. To an outsider, it might look like exercise, but to them, it's an act of renewal, a way to circulate energy and oxygen through every muscle, joint, and skin cell. Science supports this practice. Studies from the University of Tokyo found that just minutes of light morning movement, simple stretches, walking, or breathing exercises can increase skin oxygenation by leading to visibly brighter skin and faster collagen regeneration. Movement also reduces oxidative stress, the silent force that breaks down collagen over time. Even more fascinating is how gentle exercise interacts with hormones. When you move in the morning light, your cortisol levels stabilize, and your body releases endorphins, which improves circulation to the face and scalp. That's why people who walk or stretch early often describe a subtle glow afterward. It's the flush of oxygen reaching your skin surface, carrying nutrients to the very cells that rebuild it. You don't need to sweat. You don't need intensity. What matters most is consistency. Minutes of breathing, stretching, or walking daily has far greater impact than an hour of exercise once a week. Here's a simple Japanese-inspired sequence you can begin tomorrow. Stand near a window and take 5 slow breaths, lifting your arms overhead as you inhale, lowering them as you exhale. Gently roll your shoulders, loosening tension in your neck and upper back. Place one hand over your heart, the other on your stomach, and feel your breath move through you, grounding your nervous system, calming your mind. Then take a short walk, even just around your home or garden, allowing the light, air, and warmth to awaken your senses. This isn't exercise for vanity. It's exercise for vitality. It trains your blood vessels to stay elastic, supports lymphatic drainage to remove toxins, and signals your body to continue producing collagen naturally. And here's something most women overlook. Collagen isn't only about skin. It strengthens tendons, ligaments, joints, and even the tiny muscles that support facial structure. Movement keeps these tissues active, preventing stiffness and sagging. A study from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity observed that older adults who practiced gentle morning stretching had higher collagen integrity in connective tissues compared to sedentary peers. The reason is simple: circulation is nourishment. Every stretch, every breath delivers life back to the tissues that time has quietly weakened. In Okinawa, one of the world's blue zones, women in their $MATHBF $70 and $MATHBF $80 still begin each morning with slow movement, sweeping the floor, watering plants, walking to the market. None of it feels like exercise, yet it keeps their bodies supple and their faces radiant. When asked why they still do it every morning, one woman laughed softly and said, "Because my body gives back what I give to it." And that's the essence of this third habit. Your body remembers every act of care. The more you move with gratitude, the more it rewards you with strength, balance, and the quiet beauty that no cream can imitate. So, tomorrow morning, before the world begins to rush, take those minutes. Step into the light, stretch, breathe, and move gently. Let your blood flow, your cells awaken, and your collagen begin its quiet work again. Because aging gracefully isn't about defying time. It's about cooperating with it. One breath, one step, one morning at a time. A clinical summary: the science of morning renewal from a medical standpoint. The 3 morning habits we've discussed form one of the simplest, yet most biologically sound foundations for preserving collagen after. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines. You need consistency and the right signals for your body to follow each day. The first habit: morning light exposure, is not just poetic. It's physiological. Natural sunlight resets your circadian rhythm, balances cortisol, and stimulates vitamin D synthesis, which in turn supports collagen production and bone health. Aim for 10 minutes of natural light exposure within the first hour after waking. Avoid checking your phone or drinking coffee before this moment. Let your body wake up naturally with light, not adrenaline. The second habit: a protein and antioxidant-rich breakfast, provides the raw materials your body needs to build new collagen. Protein delivers amino acids such as glycine, proline, and lysine. The structural bricks of collagen. Vitamin C, found in fruits like kiwi, citrus, and berries, acts as the catalyst for collagen synthesis. Combine these with healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, or fish to enhance absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants like vitamin E. Eat within an hour of waking to stabilize blood sugar and prevent morning cortisol spikes that break down collagen. The third habit. Gentle movement is what brings everything together. Movement increases circulation, improves oxygen delivery, and activates fibroblast cells, the builders of collagen. You don't need intense exercise. Minutes of stretching, slow walking, or deep breathing each morning improves blood flow and lymphatic drainage, helping your body repair and detoxify naturally. From a clinical view, the biggest mistake many women make is chasing single-solution supplements, creams, or treatments while neglecting the simple daily behaviors that determine how the body actually functions. Collagen is not stored. It is built continuously. That process depends on rhythm, sleep, light, nutrition, and circulation, all of which can be supported by these three habits. Be patient. Visible changes may take 2 weeks, but biological improvements begin almost immediately. Track how you feel, your sleep, your mood, your skin's hydration. The goal is not perfection, but steady renewal. With science and consistency on your side, your body will remember what it was designed to do: heal, rebuild, and age with strength and grace. Conclusion: the power of your morning rhythm. As we draw this segment to a close, please hold on to one essential truth. How you start your day fundamentally shapes how you age. It's not simply a matter of genetics, good fortune, or high-cost treatments. It's the dependable rhythm you establish between the first light of dawn and the initial hours of your waking day. You've now learned how light restores your body's internal timing, how a balanced breakfast acts as fuel for rejuvenation, and how gentle movement stimulates the oxygen flow that sustains your skin, joints, and heart. These 3 daily customs may appear insignificant, yet they are deeply interconnected. Light provides the cue for renewal, nutrition supplies the necessary materials for rebuilding, and movement guarantees those materials are delivered efficiently. By making a conscious effort to protect those first couple of hours each morning, you grant your body a substantial advantage, allowing it to remain in a sustained state of repair throughout the day. With consistent practice, this healthful routine will become automatic. The natural radiance of your face, the steadiness of your mood, and the resilience of your energy will emerge as genuine benefits of living in sync with your own biology. This is the true definition of aging well. It's not a battle against time, but a cooperation with it. When you consciously greet the day with light, eat with purpose, and move with intention, you actively affirm your body's inherent ability to thrive and restore itself.